So if you've updated One UI 9 Beta 4 and you can't find the lockdown mode, don't worry. Samsung hasn't forgotten about it. So they've actually scrapped the dedicated lockdown mode button and replaced it with a brand new security feature called Secure Lock. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, compare it to One UI 8.5 and explain why Samsung decided to make this change. So let's start with a new feature in One UI 9 Beta 4, and this is called Secure Lock. So to find this, you want to go ahead and open up your settings, scroll down and find lock screen and AOD. From here, find secure lock settings. And here, if you scroll down, you'll find this new option called secure lock with power button. So once activated from the power menu, your phone immediately enters a secure state. So fingerprint unlock and face unlock are disabled. And the only way to unlock the device is by entering your PIN or password. So here I'll go ahead and demonstrate this for you. So if I go ahead and press the power button from the quick panel menu, you'll see this message at the top. For your security, your phone is now locked. So now you can only go ahead and power off, restart, emergency call, or use medical info. Now, if I want to go ahead and unlock this device, you'll see that there's no fingerprint now. Face ID has been disabled as well. And the only way to unlock this device is by entering your PIN number. Now let's compare it with One UI 8.5. So on One UI 8.5, I go ahead and open up settings, scroll down and find lock screen and AOD. From here, find secure lock settings. Now from here, you'll see that there is no menu for secure lock setting. In the past, on One UI 8.5, there was a section where we could enable lockdown mode, which was right here, but they have now removed it with the latest update. Now in One UI 9 Beta, that dedicated lockdown mode has been removed. Instead, Samsung has now replaced it with Secure Lock. So this delivers the same level of protection, but a simpler, more streamlined experience. So rather than having a separate lockdown mode option, the new Secure Lock feature takes its place and becomes a new way to quickly secure your device. So while lockdown mode is gone, the security it provided hasn't disappeared. So it's basically simply been redesigned into a feature that's faster and easier to access. So personally, I think this is a smart change. Samsung has simplified the power menu without removing an important security feature. So what do you think? Do you prefer the old lockdown mode from One UI 8.5 or do you like the new secure lock feature in One UI 9 Beta 4? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to The Simple Dad, and I'll see you in the next One UI 9 Beta update.